Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, we'll be sharing our project on biodegradable plastic and how we create a biodegradable comb. Let's take a look of how what is biodegradable plastic. So, biodegradable plastic is designed to break down more easily in the environment. Microorganisms like bacteria and fungi help it decompose. It breaks down into water, carbon dioxide, methane, which is low oxygen, and biomass, made from natural materials such as cornstarch, sugarcane, potato starch, or modified petroleum plastics. It helps reduce plastic pollution that harms ocean, wildlife, and fill landfills. Conventional plastics stay in nature for hundreds of years, but biodegradable ones don't. Using biodegradable materials makes the comb eco-friendly and supports sustainability goals. So, here are the ingredients used to make our biodegradable plastic. The first one is food coloring, the second one is cornstarch, and then gelatin powder, and then glycerin, vinegar, and the last one is baking powder. So, here are the ingredients used in the first try. The first one is a few drops of food coloring, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of glycerin, and then a small pinch of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and then clay. Get as much to cover your comb model, and the last one is comb model. So this is the first try method. The first step is pre-mix the dry ingredients. So here are the picture. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, add 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder, add a small pinch of a baking powder, and then mix them dry so there are no lumps. Second step is add liquids. So, to the same bowl, add 4 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of glycerin, and 1 or 2 drop dish soap, food coloring, and mix slowly so bubbles don't form. We go to the third step, which is heat the mixture. So pour the mixture into a small pan, use low heat and stir constantly with a spoon. What you will see, it stays watery at first, but it slowly become thicker. It will turn gel-like and glossy. It's become a thick paste similar to melt glue. When it become thick, shiny and stretchy, it is ready. Do not overburn it. Next step is shape or pour into the mold. So, we need to prepare a mold of comb, pour the hot bioplastic mixture onto it, and then spread evenly with a spoon to your desired thickness. And the last step is drying. So, here are the picture. We leave it to dry 24 to 48 hours at room temperature. So, your biodegradable plastic comb is ready. And then, we move to the ingredients for the second try. The first is 1 cup of milk, and then 4 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and clay. Get as much to cover your comb model. And the last one is a comb model. So we go to the second try method. The first step is form the casein polymer. We need to heat 1 cup of milk until hot, around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Do not boil, and then turn off the heat. Add 4 teaspoons vinegar slowly. Stir gently for 20 to 40 seconds. So you should see white solid lump and a yellow or clear liquid. And then the second step is strain and remove moisture. So here are the picture. We need to pour the mixture through a sieve or cloth. Press or squeeze hard to remove as much water as possible. And then when finished, the curds should feel damp but not dripping, sticky but not liquid, flexible and clay-like. Then we go to the third step, which is straighten the polymer. This step makes a huge difference for hardness. We need to put the curds into a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then mix and knead for 1 to 2 minutes. What happened chemically, baking soda neutralizes leftover vinegar, cornstarch, increase polymer density. We go to the next step, which is pack into the comb mold. So here are the picture. We need to pack the mixture very firmly into the mold. Then we need to push it deep into all the comb teeth. Press with your thumb or a spoon. So the firm packing, no air gaps, and get a maximum strength. And the last step is dry and cure slowly. We need to leave in the mold for 48 to 72 hours. Gently remove from mold and then let it cure another 3 to 5 days. So here are the results for both try. This is the first try, which is mixture wasn't heated properly, starch and gelatin didn't fully thicken, final bioplastic becomes sticky, soft and lumpy, and uneven drying causes crack and made it fragile. Color looked patchy because it wasn't mixed well. Surface turned rough instead of mold. And the second try, casing method makes the comb very hard and durable. Warm milk plus vinegar creates casing curds. The curds are pressed into the comb mold and dried. So after drying, it becomes a strong and solid material, stronger and smoother than cornstarch plastic, not easy to break and suitable for real use. And then we move to the discussion. Casing method challenge, hard to measure and mix milk and vinegar accurately. Small change in temperature of vinegar amount cause weak or uneven curds. And the cornstarch gelatin method challenge, mixture was not heated enough, causing sticky and uneven plastic. Final product cracked and didn't dry properly. And then we move to the improvements in the future. So what we need to do, start earlier so there's enough drying time. Use a thermometer to keep the right temperature. Measure all ingredients carefully. Use mold to control thickness and prevent cracks. Add beeswax or extra glycerin to make cornstarch plastic more flexible. Test a small batch first to avoid big mistake. Conclusion. In conclusion, bioplastic can be made using both casing and cornstarch gelatin methods, but it requires the right temperature, correct measurement, and enough drying time. The problem faced, like crack and uneven textures, show that careful technique and planning are important. With the improvement, this method can produce stronger, smoother, and eco-friendly plastic. So thank you everyone.